Once upon a time, in a small village in Arabia, there lived two brothers named Adil and Muhammad. They were known for their strong bond and were loved and respected by everyone in the village. Adil was the older brother, wise and knowledgeable, while Muhammad was younger, energetic, and full of enthusiasm. One day, a severe drought struck the village, and the crops started to wither away. The villagers were worried as they depended on the harvest for their survival. Adil and Muhammad decided to take action and approached the village leader to discuss a solution. The village leader suggested digging a well, but the task seemed overwhelming as it required a great deal of effort and resources. However, the brothers were determined to help their community. They gathered the villagers and explained their plan to dig a well that would provide water for everyone during the drought. Adil and Muhammad led the efforts and worked tirelessly day and night. They dug deep into the ground, encountering challenges and obstacles along the way. However, their strong bond and unwavering dedication kept them motivated. The villagers, inspired by their unity and commitment, joined in, offering their assistance. Finally, after weeks of hard work, they struck water. The news spread throughout the village and everyone rejoiced. The well became a lifeline for the villagers, providing them with the water they desperately needed. The brothers' act of brotherhood didn't end there. Adil and Muhammad decided to distribute the water equally among all the villagers, regardless of their social status or wealth. They believed that true brotherhood meant treating everyone with fairness and compassion. Their selflessness and kindness touched the hearts of the villagers, and they realized the true power of unity and brotherhood. The community became more closely knit, and the spirit of helping one another flourished. As the drought eventually came to an end, the village thrived and prospered. The well that Adil and Muhammad had dug became a symbol of their bond and the strength of unity. The brothers' legacy of brotherhood continued to inspire generations to come. This story teaches us that brotherhood is not just a word. It is a bond that should be cherished and nurtured. When people come together, united by a common goal and selflessness, they can overcome any obstacle and bring positive change to their community.